Hello everyone, welcome back to Chadwick's Real Tips. We are very honored to have our special guest, Ian Jouett with Louviers Mortgage.
Hi.
Ian the Lion, right?
I am Ian the Lion, king of the mortgage jungle.
Arrgh! With our furry assistant, Shangela. Ian, our question out there from our consumers is, what's the big difference between, or pros and cons, between FHA financing versus conventional?
Great question, and there's no blanket pro or blanket con. Each situation is unique. Traditionally, FHA would allow lower FICO scores to purchase, or a person with a lower FICO score to purchase a home, and sometimes higher debt to income ratios with FHA. But one of the drawbacks to FHA is they have upfront mortgage insurance where traditional loans typically don't, or conventional loans don't. And with FHA, you're going to pay mortgage insurance for the life of the loan, typically. And you can usually waive mortgage insurance with a traditional loan once you hit a certain benchmark with your equity.
Great information. So with a FHA loan, so basically more people could qualify for FHA.
Correct, yes sir.
And then going into a conventional loan is a little bit harder to qualify.
Typically, yes.
Okay. And so you said something about mortgage insurance, or PMI, private mortgage insurance.
Yes,
Could you unpack that a little bit?
Absolutely. Mortgage insurance is a monthly amount paid to the lender. You paid as a consumer to the lender, protects the lender from defaults. If there's a default in a mortgage,
Which means you missed a payment.
Yeah, if they have to foreclose on a home, they might have to sell that property at a loss, and the mortgage insurance will kick in and make sure the lender's made whole.
So the buyer is paying a little bit extra over their payment, which is that PMI or MI.
Correct.
That benefits the lending institution.
Correct. And traditionally, if you have 20% down, you don't pay mortgage insurance. With FHA, you do pay mortgage insurance, and with some of the
for the life of the loan.
For the life of the loan. With some of the Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac products, you have mortgage insurance as well if you put less than 20% down.
So for all of you out there that are curious about, do I want FHA or conventional, it's really not a black or white scenario. Please speak out and reach out to Ian Jouett, who can explain the pros and cons. There's not a one size fits all, I think we can agree.
I agree.
But the goal is, at the end of the day, is that property mortgage insurance, or private mortgage insurance. Once you can get that off of your loan, you are saving a considerable amount monthly.
Absolutely.
Ian Jouett with Louviers Mortgage, thank you very much for being here. Be sure to follow our social media feeds, and we'll see you next week on Chadwick's Real Tips.
Take care.